Hi, I'm Vinayak, and I'm the co-founder of SuperJoin. So a little bit about me, I spent about 4 years working in a deep tech startup called Slang Labs, where we were building basically Google Assistant for mobile apps. So spent 4 years doing that, and now started SuperJoin about a year back. So in our journey, our mission over here is to help business users take actions and automate workflows on their favorite IDE, which is Google Sheets, right? That's what they understand. So we thought we won't build another tool. Let's help them automate their workflows there. And we heard from a lot of people on the dev side, dev tool side. So Vishank was kind enough to have us to tell you how we are using Portkey and LLMs on the application layer, right? So thanks Vishank for having us. So basically, we work right inside Google Sheets for all the users. We help them pull the data and then take actions on top of it, right? That's the idea. And they can bring data from multiple sources and then take actions on that data and connect to outward systems as well, right? So how we are using GPT is something which is very simple, called as SuperGPT functions, right? Essentially, what it enables you to do is use AI just like any Excel or Google Sheets formula, right? So I have a very simple spreadsheet that I've created, which is actually used in our company, right? We report bugs here, and then you can summarize the bugs using a simple function, right? You can say this and just wait for the response, and you'll basically, and then you can drag it down. And similarly, you can use basically different sort of formulas and enable different use cases, right? So it's a building block on top of Google Sheets to help you use AI there. And we have seen very creative use cases for different users, right? Somebody is using it to track calories for the food they're having. Somebody is using it for some X activity, right? One person is using it to measure how their gym performance is going, right? In enterprises, it's very interesting, right? People are using it to almost fetch keyword or SEO data from different tools and then create blog titles and different blog content for that, right? So these are different use cases that people have been using it for. And even in it can get nefarious sometimes. For example, I just recently found out that all my new feature requests are being denied. When I went and checked it, I got the answer. Basically, any feature request that I submitted was being passed through a very weird SuperGPT function, which told them to basically write technical jargon and just say no to any feature request that comes in, right? So just be aware of somebody in the team doing this. So yeah, and very smartly, I was telling Abhinav might not be the best use case for us to present, but then I saw it, might as well do it, right? So yeah, so you can use it in different ways. Of course, this is just like a small joke, but essentially there are different functions. You can summarize data, you can list data, you can transform data. You have the power of AI, and now you can use it however you want in a Google Sheet. And the best part is you can now let your team decide how to do it, right? You don't have to get bothered by enabling things for them, right? So super easy for a business user to now consume AI in a format they are very, very familiar with. So that's about it. So we basically pull data, help you take actions on it, and then you can even sync back data to different platforms. That's SuperJoin for you. Thank you.